We are going to be exporting a Word outline to PowerPoint. And when we do that, it will actually create a PowerPoint presentation. And it will save us a little time because then we don't have to key in all of the text. So to do this, we need both Word and PowerPoint open. So PowerPoint, I just have on the Backstage view. And Word, I'm going to go ahead and open up my outline. And that is in the Integrating 3 folder. And it's called WE Outline. And how this is going to work is it's going to look at heading styles. And so if you have an outline that you want to export, you do need to make sure that you have the heading 1 style applied to the text that you want as titles in a new slide. So what it's going to do is it's going to look at all of these heading 1s, create new slides, and put the text as the title. Additional text will become bullets if you have a heading 2 style. So these sections of text with heading 2 are going to be level 1 bullets. Now, if I had a heading 3 style, those would become level 2 bullets. So anything with a heading 1 style is going to be a title in a new slide. Anything with a heading 2 style is going to be a level 1 bullet. And anything with a heading 3 style is going to be a level 2 bullet. And the command to export to PowerPoint currently is not in the quick access toolbar, and it's not on the ribbon. So you may think, well, how in the heck am I going to execute this command? We're going to add it to the quick access toolbar because that's actually the fastest way to make it available to you. So we are going to click on this little menu. And here are some commands. The ones with the check marks are on our quick access toolbar. The other ones are popular commands that we can add. The one that we want, of course, is not in the list. So we're going to have to click on more commands. And you can see that quick access toolbar is selected. Now this is the option dialog box that we would get if we went into File and selected Options. And right now it's listing popular commands. And these are all commands that are not on our quick access toolbar. And instead of just the popular commands, we need it to list all of them because Send to PowerPoint isn't in here. So we're going to click on all commands. And we could have also chosen commands not in the ribbon because that command that we want is not in the ribbon either. But all commands shows you all the commands that are available, and they are in alphabetical order. So we want a command to send to PowerPoint. So we're going to scroll down to the S's. You can see there are so many commands. And then we're going to choose Send to Microsoft PowerPoint, and we're going to add that to our list. Once it's in the list, we're going to click OK. And now we see the command in our quick access toolbar. So with this open and PowerPoint open, and what we're going to do is click right on that button, and it pulls us right into PowerPoint, and it's created the slides for us. And as you can see, all of the heading 1s are now new slides, and it took the text and made it the title, and anything that we had as heading 2 has become bullets. So what we're going to do with this presentation is kind of customize it a little bit. Typically, your first slide is not a bulleted slide. It is a title slide. So we're going to change the layout of this to title slide. And then for slide 4, we want this to be a title only slide. And we want slides 5 and 6 to also be title only. So we're going to go into Layout and choose Title Only. We're going to do the same thing for slide 5 and slide 6. Okay, and at this point, the layout of our slides is correct. And we are going to apply a design theme so that they are a little bit more interesting to look at. So let's go into design, and we'll click on the More button. And they would like us to pick retrospect. And my theme icons are never in the same order as the book. Okay, so you kind of have to point and pause, but retrospect is the one that's got kind of the white background and the orange bar at the bottom. So we are going to go ahead and select that. Okay, and it's applied it to all of our slides. And as far as the variant goes, they would like us to choose this white with the blue-green. So we're going to pick that. And at this point, we are going to go ahead and save our presentation. And let's browse and make sure it's going to go into our Integrating 3 folder. And we are going to call this thing 3-WE, Dist Department Meeting. And we can go ahead and close this. And then let's go back over to Word. If you do not want the Send to Microsoft PowerPoint on your Quick Access toolbar, you can right-click and you can remove it. If you like it there, go ahead and keep it. Okay? So it's up to you whether you want to remove that or not. Okay, and then once you decide, we're going to go ahead and close out of this.